here, if a displacement field is described by u equal to minus x square plus 2y square plus 6xy into 10 power 4, v equal to 3x plus 6y minus y square into 10 power minus 4. Determine the epsilon x, epsilon y, gamma xy at the point of x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. So here we need to calculate epsilon x value and epsilon y value and gamma x comma y. These are the unknown terms. So here in this problem we need to calculate epsilon x, epsilon y and gamma xy. So here first one, epsilon x. So here what is the u value? Minus x square plus 2y square plus 6xy into 10 power minus 4. So here, so in this diagram, so this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. We can represent it as a epsilon x and epsilon y. So here this is the horizontal displacement represented with u. This is the vertical displacement represented with v value. So horizontal u, vertical v. So here, so in this diagram we need to calculate epsilon x is equal to partial derivative of dou by dou x. This is the along the x direction with respect to u. So here epsilon x is equal to dou by dou x into u. So here what is the u value? U value is equal to dou by dou x of, what is the u value? Minus x square plus 2y square plus 6xy into 10 power minus 4 into 10 power minus 4. So here epsilon x is equal to, here epsilon y is equal to dou by direction y direction into displacement vector v. So what is the v value? Minus 3x plus 6y minus y square into 10 power minus 4. This is the epsilon y value. So here gamma xy. So here in this diagram, this is the dou u by dou v by dou x, dou v by dou x. So here dou u by dou y. This is the along the x direction, this is the along the y direction. So coming to the problem, so here first one, xx is equal to dou by dou x of u and yy dou by dou y of v gamma xy is equal to dou by dou x of v plus dou by dou y of u. This is the formulas we need to calculate epsilon x, epsilon y and gamma xy. So we need to substitute u value. What is the u value? So here dou by dou x into u value minus x square plus 2y square plus 6xy into 10 power minus 4. So here the partial derivative with respect to x. What is the x values? Minus x square and plus 6xy. So here no need to calculate y value. So that's why here partial differentiation with respect to x minus 2x plus 6 into y. So here 6 into y that equal to minus 2x plus 6y into 10 power minus 4. This is the epsilon x value. So here what is the epsilon x value? Dou u by dou y. What is the v value? This is the v value is equal to dou by dou y. Partial differentiate with respect to y. With respect to y. So here what is the y displacement value? Y along the y direction the displacement value v. So here v equal to 3x plus 6y minus y square into 10 power minus 4. So here partial differentiate with respect to y. So here x value 0. So 6y 6 minus 2y into 10 power minus 4. 10 power minus 4. So third value dou by dou x of v. So here dou by dou x of v. Dou by dou x of v and dou by dou y of u. So here what is the dou by dou x value into v? So here v value is 3x plus 6y minus y square into 10 power minus 4 plus dou by dou y of what is the u value? What is the u value? U minus x square plus 2y square plus 6xy into 10 power minus 4. So partial differentiate with respect to x. So here with respect to x, no need to calculate y values. 3 into 10 power minus 4 plus y values. So this is the 0. Partial differentiation with respect to y. 4y plus 6x into here y value is 1 is equal to 4y plus 6x into 10 power minus 4. So what is the value? So here 6x plus 4y plus 3 into 10 power minus 4. 10 power gamma xy is equal to 6x plus 4y plus 3 into 10 power minus 4. This is the second one, and third one. So we need to substitute at the point x equal to 1. So here sigma x, oh sorry, here epsilon x is equal to this value, epsilon y is equal to this value. So we need to substitute x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. So we need to substitute x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. So here minus 2 into x. So here x equal to 1, y equal to 0. Epsilon x is equal to, here x equal to 1, y equal to 0. So minus 2 into 10 power minus 4. Minus 2 into 10 power minus 4. What is the epsilon y value? So here epsilon y value, we need to substitute these points, x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. So epsilon y is equal to, so here y value is 0, y value 0. So 6 into 10 power minus 4. 6 into 10 power minus 4. So here we need to substitute at point x equal to 1, y equal to 0. So here x equal to 1, y equal to 0, that equal to 6 plus 3. So here this is the 0 into 4, 0 is into 10 power minus 4, that equal to gamma xy is equal to 9 into 10 power 4. This is the answer for this problem. If a displacement field is described by u equal to minus x square plus 2y square plus 6xy into 10 power 4, v equal to 3x plus 6y minus y square into 10 power minus 4, determine the epsilon x, epsilon y and gamma xy at the point x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. So here these are the three final values. These are the three final values. So here epsilon x, epsilon y, gamma xy is equal to epsilon x value minus 2 into 10 power minus 4, epsilon y value 6 into 10 power minus 4, gamma xy value 9 into